Welcome to session 8 of model 2. In the previous session, I am explaining the things related to the oxygen sac curve, self-purification of stream, what are the factors which are influencing, what is the salient feature of the oxygen sac curve, reoxygenation curve, deoxygenation curve, and all these things. In this session, I am giving a lecture related to the different zones of degradation or different zones of the purification. Once the wastewater is come in contact with the running water body or any water body, so the self-purification stream will be takes place physically, chemically, as well as biologically, and with the natural natural phenomena. It is a natural phenomena. By that, the self-purification stream will be occurs. Whether in that particular one, it may be physical, chemical, or biological activities will be takes place. So the once the wastewater is come in contact with the running water body, after some time, it retains its original characteristics. Before it retains its original characteristics means retain its original characteristic means before the point of disposal, before mixing. So it undergo through four different zones. Four different zones. So under four different zones, the purification of the mixed stream will be takes place. Purification of the mixed stream will be takes place. It is termed as a zones of purification. Zones of the purification. So the self-purification process of streams polluted by wastewater discharged into it can be divided into following four zones. So once the wastewater is come in contact with the running water body, then that particular stream is called as mixed stream. So mixed stream undergone different steps for retain its original characteristics. That is self-purification will takes place, but the self-purification phenomena will be carried out in four different zones. So different what are the four different zones in which the degradation process will be takes place is explained one by one. One by one. Zone of degradation. Zone of degradation is starts from the point of disposal. Point of disposal. Once the wastewater is come in contact with the running water body at the point of disposal, automatically the waste organic matters which are present in the particular stream will go for degradation. By the DO concentration goes on decreasing. Here, once the DO concentration is goes on decreasing, in that particular zone, around 40% of DO will be consumed by the microbial activity. Consumed by the microbial activity. In that zone, almost the decomposition will be takes place and goes on increasing with respect to the distance. With respect to the distance. This zone is situated below the outfall sewer. Outfall sewer is the point where we are disposing the wastewater into the running water body is called as outfall sewer. When the discharging its content into stream, means zone of degradation start from the point of mixing itself. Water is dark and turbid. Usually, once the wastewater is come in contact with the running water body, it is the color of the mixed stream is dark and also the turbidity is more because of the suspended solids and dissolved solids which are present in the wastewater. The turbidity of the mixed stream is high, having a formation of sludge deposit at the bottom. Since it contains organic, inorganic, silt, sand, and all these things, the sludge is generated and it is deposited at the bottom of the outfall itself. The DO is reduced to 40% of the saturation value. Means once the mixed stream is come in contact with the once the wastewater is come in contact with the mixed stream, automatically the DO concentration of the particular mixed stream is reduced by 40% at that particular zone itself. Means almost the microbial activity will be takes place. By that the stabilization of the organic matter will be takes place. By that it consumes the DO. So therefore, the DO concentration of the mixed stream is reduced 40% of that particular value. The deposition of the solid matter takes place in the zone and anaerobic decomposition prevails. Means since there is a shortage of oxygen will takes place and also due to the deposition of the solid particles present in the mixed stream. So once it is deposited at the bottom and settled at the bottom, automatically due to the shortage of oxygen, there is anaerobic zone will be created. So anaerobic decomposition will takes place at that particular point, and when compared to the aerobic, anaerobic decomposition will be previous. It is takes place very quickly when compared to the aerobic process. And also in the particular zone, the microbial activity is there, and also the fungi, rotifers, and all these things activities is goes on decreasing. Still, some of the activities takes place in the particular zone. Zone of active decomposition. Zone of active decomposition is one in which the complete degradation of the organic matter will be completed almost within that particular zone only. And also in that particular zone, the DO deficiency goes on increasing. DO deficiency goes on increasing, and it reaches the maximum DO deficit. If you are observed from the oxygen sac curve, what I am explained in the earlier session, so maximum DO deficit will occur in the particular zone only. And also at the end of this zone, it reaches up to 30 to 40% of the DO concentration. DO concentration is increased at the end point of the particular zone. End point of the particular zone. Usually in the particular zone, there are the microbial activity is less, and also there is no algal growth, and also there is no rotifers and all these things. Only the anaerobic and aerobic bacteria are active in the particular zone. Other than aerobic and anaerobic bacteria, other any other aquatic lives are not survive in the particular zone, because there is no DO, almost nil in the particular zone. If there is availability of device almost nil in the particular zone, therefore the survival of the some of the microorganisms is not possible, just like algae and all these things. And also in this zone only the maximum biodiversity will be occurs. This zone is just after degradation zone and is marked by heavy pollution. Means in this zone the pollution is too high. Pollution is too high because the DO concentration is almost nil. Water in these zones becomes grayish and darker than the previous zone. Means if it is grayish and darker, which indicates the presence of the organic matter. Much more presence of the organic matter, and also there is no DO and all these things. The concentration in these zones falls down to zero. The concentration, the DO concentration falls to zero. Active anaerobic organism decomposition takes place. Here, due to the shortage of oxygen, the anaerobic activity is more. Means the aerobic activity decreases. Anaerobic activity will be starts to take place due to the anaerobic decomposition. It liberates the gases like CO2, H2S, and methane gases and all these things. In that particular zone, there is a it is released the gases. By that, there is a nuisance in terms of odor. Active anaerobic organic decomposition takes place with the evolution of methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide, nitrogen gases due to the anaerobic decomposition, bubbling to the surface with the mass of sludge forming black scum. Means due to the nitrogen, production of nitrogen, all these things, bubbling will takes place, and there is a scum will be takes place, and usually it is floating at the top surface due to the lightweight and all these things. Fish life is absent in this zone. Not only fish life, algae life is also absent in this particular zone, because there is no DO. It is not possible to survive some of the aquatic life in that particular zone only. However, at the end of this zone, as decomposition slackens, reaeration sets in, and DO again rises to its original level of 40%. At the end of this zone, the reaeration will be start increasing, deoxygenation goes on decreasing, and it retains 40% of the DO. Since because almost at the end of this zone, the complete degradation of the organic matter which are present in the mixed stream will takes place. Once the complete degradation of the organic material takes place in that particular zone, automatically the consumption of oxygen will be decreases. Rate of deoxygenation is decreases, rate of reoxygenation is increases. Rate of deoxygenases decreases due to the lack of organic matter. At the same time, the deficiency is increased. By that, the rate of reoxygenases increases, and at that end of this zone, it regains 40% of DO in the particular zone. Zone of recovery. Zone of recovery means in that particular zone, the mixed stream recover its original characteristics. It try to come out from the zone of degradation, decomposition, and all these things. It try to reach the original status. Original status before mixing status. Before mixing status. In this zone, the process of recovery starts from its degraded conditions to its former condition. Means the former condition is it is DO saturation is there before mixing. Before mixing, it try to reach the DO saturation level in that particular zone. The stabilization of organic matter take place in this zone because organic matters are almost degraded and complex organic matter is converted into simple form. So once it is converted into simple form, it start to settle at the bottom of the mixed stream. Due to this, most of the stabilized organic matter settles as a sludge. Means once the organic matter is converted into simple form, they are converted as a sludge and try to deposit at the bottom of the zone. BOD falls. BOD means amount of oxygen required for the complete degradation of the organic matter falls because amount of organic matter itself is less. Since complete degradation decomposition takes place in the zone of decomposition itself, by that rate of oxygen demand is decreases and DO content arises about 40% value. Means since rate of degradation is decreases, rate of reoxygenation increases. By that the DO concentration in this zone, mixed zone is goes on increases by the 40%. Near the end of the zone, microscopic activity, aquatic life appears, fungi decreases, and algae reappears. Means once the DO concentration goes on increasing, automatically it is helpful for the aquatic life. Usually fishes and all these things start to reappear. As well as once the DO concentration goes on increasing, fungi and all these things are disappear, but at the same time, algal growth starts here, reappears in that particular zone. So it is that particular zone, at the end of the particular zone, it is helpful for the aquatic life. Aquatic life. Clear water zone means once it crosses the zone of recovery. In the zone of recovery, DO concentration increased by 40%. Once it is entered the clear water zone, then it reaches the almost saturation DO. Means it retains its original status quo before mixing status quo. In this zone, the natural conditions of the stream restore with the result that means it retains its original condition. The result that water becomes clear and attractive in appearance. Means it's aesthetically acceptable one, as well as it is clear and aesthetically acceptable one. Up to the clear zone, that particular water is not aesthetically acceptable one since it contains some amount of the dissolved solids as well as the DO concentration is less and all these things. Up to clear water zone, that particular water is not acceptable one. Once it reaches the clear water zone, then it is clear as well as aesthetically acceptable one. DO rises to saturation level and is much higher than the BOD. Means here DO goes on increasing, reaches saturation value. And by that, the BOD is almost nil or it is too less. Oxygen balance is attained. Means in that particular stage, oxygen balance means the reoxygen rate is greater than the deoxygen rate. By that, it attains the oxygen balance and all these things. This recovery is said to be complete in this zone, though some pathogenic organisms may be present in this zone. Since pathogens which are present, pathogenic organisms are termed as a microorganism which are causing health hazard for the human being. Health hazard for the human being. So even though the clear zone is reached and also DO concentration reaches a DO saturation level and also it is clear some amount of microorganisms still present because the source of the microorganism is municipal wastewater and all these things. If the pathogens are there, definitely that particular water may cause health hazard to the consumers or human beings. BOD of the resulting mixture. Here, once the wastewater is come in contact with the running water body, definitely the concentration of the mixed stream varies. So it is possible to find out what about the concentration of the mixed stream if you know the what about the concentration as well as discharge of the running water body and concentration of the wastewater and discharge of the wastewater body. At the point of disposal, the concentration of the mixed stream is calculated by using the given formula, because this parameter is very important to calculate the after mixing, after dilution. What about the concentration of the mixed stream is very important to locate or to find out what about the amount of deoxygen rate at the point where it retains its original characteristics and all these things. At the outfall, BOD of the river bar wastewater mixture L0 is given by. This is applicable for BOD of the mixed stream or temperature of the mixed stream, DO of the mixed stream. But here it is, this particular equation is particularly for BOD. L0 equals QR LR plus QW LW by QR plus QW, where L0 is ultimate BOD at the point of waste discharge or ultimate BOD of the mixed stream at the point of mixing. QR is the flow in the river upstream side of the discharge. Means what about the flow discharge of the river before mixing? LR is the ultimate BOD of the river. Means what about the BOD present in the river before mixing? QW is flow of wastewater from discharge. Means what about the amount of wastewater discharge into stream? LW is the ultimate BOD in the discharged wastewater. Means what about the BOD present in the wastewater? If you using this equation, it is possible to find out the what about the ultimate BOD at the point of waste discharge. Similarly, if you want to find out the what about the DO concentration at the mixed stream, we are using same thing, but instead of LR, we are using the LDO, otherwise LW, otherwise DO of the wastewater. That's all. Okay, DO of the mixed stream equals QR into DOR plus QW into DOW divided by QR plus QW, where DOR is the DO concentration of the river, DOW is the DO concentration of the wastewater. From that, it is possible to find out the what about the DO of the mixed stream at the point of disposal. And also, if you want to find the temperature, in some of the industries, what happened? The waste come out from the industries having a temperature more than the normal temperature, because of the using for the different process and all this in the two boilers and all these things. So it is our duty to find out the what about the temperature of the mixed stream also. For that, it is possible to find out the what about the temperature of the mixed stream. So T mix equals QR into TR plus QW into TW divided by QR plus QW, where TR is the temperature of the river, LT is the temperature of the wastewater. And using this equation, it is possible to find out the what about the temperature of the mixed stream. Like that, it is possible to find out these formulas to find out what about the mixed BOD, mixed DO, mixed temperature, and all these things. And also in some of the question paper, they are asking the simple problem related to that particular one also. Here one example is there related to the what about the mixed concentration of mixed stream. A wastewater effluent of 600 liter per second with BOD 60 mg per L, DO 2.5 mg per L, and temperature 25 degree centigrade. A river where the flow is 30 meter cube per second, BOD is 3 mg per L, DO is 8.5 mg per L, and temperature of 16 degree centigrade. Deoxygenation constant for the waste is 0.10 per day at 20 degree centigrade. The velocity of water in the river downstream is 0.15 meter per second and depth of flow is 1.5 meter. Determine the following after mixing of wastewater with the river water: combined discharge, BOD, DO, and temperature. What I am explained in the early slide is asking related to that particular one only. Wastewater discharge is given in terms of liter per second. We convert in terms of meter cube per second divided by 1000.6 meter cube per second. Combined discharge is discharge of river plus discharge of wastewater. Means 30 plus zero point 0.6 means 30.6 meter cube per second is the total combined discharge. So what about the BOD of mix? Equals discharge 30 into BOD of river 3 plus discharge of wastewater 0.6 into BOD 60 divided by combined discharge 30 plus zero point 0.6, we get 4.118 mg per L is the BOD of the mixed stream at the point of discharge. Similarly, DO mix, instead of BOD you substitute DO, that's all. So 38.5 is the due of the river plus 0.6 into 2.5 is the due of the wastewater divided by combined discharge. So you get 8.382 mg per L is the due of the mixed stream. And similarly, mixed temperature is equals 30 into 16 plus 0.6 into 2.5 divided by 30 plus zero point 0.6, which gives 16.18 degrees centigrade is the mixed temperature of the at the point of disposal of the mixed stream. Like that, it is possible to find out the mixed concentration of different parameters. Some of the MCQs related to the particular session is the pollution zone in the river are divided into how many types? It is 4 types. In which pollution zone of the river growth of algae reappears? It is reappears in the zone of recovery only. There is no algae growth in zone of decomposition and all these things. In which pollution zone of what river the dissolved oxygen reduced to zero? It is at zone of active decomposition. It is almost nil. The critical DO deficit arises in that particular zone only. Which is the third zone of this pollution in the river? It is zone of recovery. In which pollution zone of river water retains its original dissolved oxygen concentration? It is zone of clear water, means fourth zone. The fishes were present in the river, but algae were not able to survive. What is the zone of pollution in the river? It is zone of degradation. Zone of degradation. In which pollution zone of the river the concentration of DO reduces 40%? It is at the zone of active decomposition. Thank you.